Welcome back, Ride and Thrill fam. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. This new model keeps that classic charm we love but steps up the game with modern updates that promise to take your riding experience to the next level. Let's start with the design, because that's what catches the eye first, right? The Continental GT 6502025 stays true to its retro-inspired cafe-filled copyright racer vibe, with just the right amount of refinement. Royal Enfield knows their audience, and they've delivered a style that's both timeless and edgy. You've got the signature round headlamp, minimalistic bodywork, and that single-piece seat with a cowl that screams cafe-filled copyright racer from every angle. And if you're all about customization, you'll love the range of colors and finishes they've introduced, giving riders a chance to truly make this bike their own. Now, let's talk power. What's under the hood of this beauty? Royal Enfield 648cc parallel twin engine is back, and it's better than ever. This engine has earned a solid reputation for its smoothness and character, but the 2025 model has some tweaks to improve both performance and efficiency. Thanks to advanced fuel mapping and slight weight reductions in key areas, the new Continental GT 650 offers a bit more punch and quicker response, making those high-rev moments even more exhilarating. Riders will feel the difference, especially in the mid-range torque, which has always been a sweet spot for Royal Enfield 650 line-up. When you're on the road, one of the first things you'll notice is the upgraded suspension. Royal Enfield has fitted the 2025 GT 650 with a slightly more sophisticated setup, making it smoother over bumps and giving it a more planted feel on winding roads. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting open highways, this bike's stability and responsiveness make it a joy to ride. And let's not forget the brakes. The new Continental GT 650 now comes with upgraded dual-channel ABS for more precise stopping power, a feature that'll give you that extra confidence, especially on twisty routes or unexpected stops. Moving on to tech. The Continental GT 6502025 is keeping things pretty classic, but Royal Enfield has added a few smart updates that modern riders will appreciate. The analog digital display retains that retro feel but now includes a few extra details, like real-time fuel efficiency and a gear indicator. Plus, Royal Enfield has equipped this model with Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, which is a game-changer for anyone using this bike for longer journeys or in unfamiliar areas. These aren't drastic changes, but they do add up to an easier, more intuitive riding experience. Now, if you're wondering about fuel efficiency, the 2025 Continental GT 650 is designed to be a bit more economical. While the engine updates focus on power, they also improve fuel consumption, so you're getting a better balance of performance and efficiency. You'll find yourself riding longer without the need for constant fill-ups, which is always a bonus when you're out exploring. So, what does all of this mean on the road? The Royal Enfield Continental GT 6502025 isn't just a look-away, it's a bike that delivers on both style and substance. You're getting a blend of classic cafe-filled copyright racer aesthetics, enhanced performance, and just enough modern tech to keep up with today's demands. Whether you're a die-hard Royal Enfield fan or new to the brand, this bike has something special to offer. It's a great option for riders looking for a balance of heritage and modern performance, and honestly, it's hard not to fall for it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the world of two-wheelers. Let us know in the comments, are you as excited about the new Continental GT 650 as we are? What's your favorite feature? Ride safe, stay adventurous, and keep the thrill alive.